Hello friends, my name is Edgar C. Francis. Welcome to Internetworks. In this video we are going to see how to configure redistribution. So you can see the topology where we have 5 routers, and first we configure the interfaces and then we configure the routing protocols according to our topology, and after that we are going to configure redistribution. So we are going to start from router 1. On router 1 we have 5 interfaces, 3 serial interfaces, 2 fast Ethernets. So first we go on router 1, configure terminal. You can see on router 1 we have 3 serial interfaces, serial 4/0, 4/4, 4/3, and the IP address is 1.network, 15.4.network, and we have 2 fast Ethernets connecting with switch. Okay, fastnet 1/1 and 0/0, and 3 loopbacks, 11.network. Here we have 3 loopbacks: loopback 0, loopback 1, and loopback 2. In the same way we are going to configure on router 2. On router 2 we have 5 interfaces, 3 serial interfaces, 2 fast Ethernet, and the loopback addresses. Configure terminal. You see, serial 4/0, 1.2 network, 4/5, 25 network, which is connected to router 5, 4/1, 2.1 network is connected to router 3, and the fast Ethernet, fastnet 0/0, and fastnet 1/1. Now on router 3, configure terminal. I'm trying to make this video short as possible. On router 3, here also we have 3 serial interfaces, 2 fast Ethernet, and 3 loopback addresses. Serial 4/2, 3.1 is connected with router 4, 4/6, 35 network, which is connected to router 5, 4/1 network, 4/1 serial interface is connected with router 2, and fastnet 1/1 and 0/0 is connected with switches, and the 3 loopback addresses 13.1.1, 2.1, and 3.1 network. Now on router 4, you can see on router 4 here also we have 3 serial interfaces, 2 fast Ethernet, and 3 loopbacks. 4/2 is connected with router 3, 4/7 is connected with router 5, 4/3 is connected with router 1, fastnet 1/1 and 0/0 is connected with switches, and here we have 3 loopback addresses. Now on router 5, configure terminal. On router 5, here we have 4 serial interfaces, 4/4, 4/5, 4/6, 4/7, 15.25, 35 and 45 network. Let's verify that everything is working correctly. Okay, to show IP interface brief. Okay, here we have the loopback address. CL4/4/3 is up, 4/0 is up, fastnet 1/1 and 1/0 is up. Now on router 2, here we have three interface loopback address. Serial 4/5 is up, which is connected to router 5. Serial 4/1 fastnet, everything is up. Okay, on router 3, here we have three loopback address, 13 dot network. Serial 4/6 35 network, which is connected to router 5, and 4/2 network 33.1, 4/1 network 2.2 up, fastnet 0/0. On router 4, here we have loopback 14 dot network. Serial 4/7 45 network connected with router 5. Serial 4/3 and 4/2 fastnet. Okay, to show IP. Here we have four serial interfaces, 15 dot, 25 dot, 35 dot, 45 dot network. Protocol is up, status is up. Now we are going to configure routing protocol as per our topology. We are starting from router 1, and on router 1 here we have EIGRP 210, EIGRP 140, RIP and EIGRP 210. Okay, so on router 1 here we have four routing protocols. Actually it's three routing protocols running. So let's configure it. You can see EIGRP 210 and the network is 1 dot network, 10 dot network and 101 network. One network is this serial interface 4/0, 10 dot and 101 network is these network fastnet network. RIP we have network 15 dot network, which is connected to router 5, and 11 dot network, these are loopback addresses. And EIGRP 140 4 dot network is the serial interface address 4/3, which is connected to router 4. The same way we are going to configure on router 2. On router 2 here we have RIP, EIGRP 210, EIGRP 210, okay, OSPF and RIP. On router 2 here also we have three routing protocols. EIGRP 210, 1 dot network is a serial interface, it's connected with router 1. 20 dot network and 102 network, these are fastnet connected with switches. And in RIP we have 12 dot and 2 dot network. 12 dot is our loopback addresses, and 2 dot network, this serial interface. Okay, on router OSPF 25, the OSPF is here, is connected with the router 5. Now we are going to configure on router 3. On router 3, here also we have 3 routing protocol: EIGRP, OSPF, RIP. Okay, on router 3, RIP, 2 dot network and 13 dot network. 2 dot is our this serial interface 4/1. 13 dot network is our loopback address, EIGRP 53. The 35 network this serial interface connected with router 5, and a 30 dot network and 103 is our switches, is fastnet interface. And router OSPF we have 3 dot network which is connected to router 4. Now on router 4, here we have 3 routing protocols: OSPF, EIGRP, RIP. See, the OSPF 3 dot network, the serial interface, RIP 45 network and 14 dot network. 45 is connected with router 5 serial 4/7. 14 dot network, these loopback addresses, EIGRP 140. The 4 dot network is connected with router 1, the serial interface 4/3. 40 dot network and 104 network is our fastnet network connected with switches. You can see the messages here. The neighborship is up between 4/2 and neighbor 13.1.3.1, which is our router 3. Okay, now we are going to configure redistribution, but before configuring the redistribution, we see on routers what route is installed in our routing tables. Okay, you show IP route. On router 1, here we have these routes. Some of them is directly connected routes, and okay, now on router 2, we show IP route. Let's see, here we have this 13 dot network, which is RIP from this network from router 3. Now on router 3, we'll show IP route. Let's see. Okay, here we have 12 dot network. It's coming from this network because this serial interface is RIP, and the network is, the loopback is RIP, and here loopback is RIP2. Okay, on router 4, show IP route. Let's see, here we have directly connected routes. C is connected. Okay, so let's check one more thing. Show IP, leave it. Okay, now we configure the redistribution on router 1. Here we have protocol running EIGRP RIP, EIGRP 140 and EIGRP 210 and RIP. Okay, here we have 3 routing redistribution. Okay, so on router 1, Here we have EIGRP 210 and redistributed it in RIP and EIGRP 140. And the second redistribution here is router RIP. In RIP, we redistributed is 210 and 140. In EIGRP 140, here we redistribute EIGRP 210 and RIP. In the same way, we are going to configure redistribution on router 2, router 3, router 4 and router 5. So now we go to router 2. Here also we have 3 routing redistribution: RIP, OSPF and EIGRP. EIGRP 210 redistribute OSPF 11 and RIP, router RIP and redistribute OSPF 11 and EIGRP 210, OSPF redistribute EIGRP 210 and RIP. Here the subnet, mask, matrix. If you have any confusion about the redistribution and the matrix, subnets, anything, there's a link in the description box about these configurations and the theory. Okay, so just check it out. So now on the router 3, here also we have 3 redistribution: EIGRP, OSPF and RIP. RIP redistribute EIGRP 53 and OSPF 10. EIGRP 53 redistribute RIP, OSPF 10. OSPF 10 redistribute RIP and EIGRP 53. Okay. Now on router 4, here we have also 3 redistribution: EIGRP, OSPF, RIP. Okay, come to the terminal. OSPF 10 redistribute RIP, EIGRP 140. In RIP, redistribute EIGRP 140 and OSPF 10. In EIGRP 140, redistribute RIP and OSPF 10. Now on router 5, okay, here we have not yet configured any routing protocol. Let's configure it. Okay, we have configured the routing protocols on router 5. We have 45 network. Okay, we have 15 dot network in RIP. This connected with router 1. 25 network in OSPF is connected with router 2. 35 network is EIGRP 53 is connected with router 3. And RIP 45 is connected with router 4. Okay, so now we configure redistribution on router 5. On router 5, here also we have 3 redistribution: OSPF 11 redistribute EIGRP 53 and RIP. Redistribute RIP, in RIP redistribute EIGRP 53, OSPF 11. In EIGRP 53 redistribute OSPF 11 and RIP. Okay, let's check the redistribution. Okay, first exit, show IP protocol. Okay, here you see the routing protocol EIGRP 210, routing protocol RIP, routing protocol EIGRP 140. So okay, on router 1 here we have 3 routing protocol, EIGRP 210, RIP and EIGRP 140. You can see the redistribution here somewhere. Okay. Redistributing EIGRP 210, RIP and EIGRP 140 and EIGRP 140. Okay, on RIP here also we have redistributing EIGRP 210, RIP and EIGRP 140. Sorry. Okay. Here in EIGRP 210 redistribute EIGRP 140. EIGRP here. In RIP here redistributing 220 RIP EIGRP 140. Let's verify on router 2. Do show IP protocol redistributing in EIGRP 210 redistributing RIP and OSPF. In RIP redistributing EIGRP 210 OSPF 11. In OSPF 11 redistributing external routes EIGRP 210. Okay, now on router 3 we show IP protocol. In RIP redistributing EIGRP 53 OSPF 10 11 EIG 53 OSPF 10 and here redistributing external from RIP including subnets in redistribution EIGRP 53. Okay. 4 we show IP protocol. Here we have redistributing OSPF in OSPF 10 RIP including the subnet in redistribution and EIGRP 140 include subnets and redistribution. You can see the area. In RIP we redistributing OSPF RIP EIGRP 140. In EIGRP 140 we redistributing OSPF 10 EIGRP 140 RIP. Now on router 5 show IP protocol. Here also OSPF 11 redistributing external routes from RIP EIGRP 53. In EIGRP 53 we redistributing RIP OSPF 11 EIG 53. Okay, now we see what route is installed in our routing table. Let's start from router 5. Okay, good show IP routes. Okay, here we have 14 dot network, 13 dot network, 12 dot network, 11 dot network. All the networks is here. See, E1 is OSPF externals. On router 4 show E route RIP 15 dot network, 11 dot, 12 dot, 13 dot, 14 dot network. Okay. Now on router 3, show IP route. You can see all the networks. Now on router 2, show IP route. You can see the networks, all the routes is there. On router 1, show IP route. You can see we have successfully configured the redistribution. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.